Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Varun, and in today's video, we will explore the options that we have to embed our booking calendars. To begin, let's head over to the booking calendars lobby, select the relevant booking calendar, head over to Embed Designer. Here we have two options, Inline Embed and Lightbox on click. With Inline Embed, the booking calendar will display directly within the page, and on booking Lightbox with click, the booking calendar opens in the center of the screen when triggered by clicking on the Schedule Now button or the button of your choice. Now, the design settings for both embed options are basically same. You can choose a color scheme to match the website. And once ready for the inline embed, click on Get Embed Code, copy that code, and let's head over to the web page. Here, you have the option to embed the code wherever you would like the booking calendar to appear. Once embedded, the booking calendar appears directly on the website. Next, for the booking, for the other option that is Lightbox with on click, you can click on Lightbox at click. Once ready with the design settings, click on Get the Lightbox code, copy and close, and let's head over to the web page. Here, we do have an option where we can customize the button as well. For example, it says Schedule Now. You can go ahead and change it to Book Now. And next, Insert. And yep, you have a Book Now button or a Schedule Now button, book an appointment, a button of your choice embedded on your website, where upon clicking, the Lightbox on click appears in the center of your web page. And that's pretty much it for our booking calendar embed options. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.